Hello everybody, welcome back. So today is 28th of December and these are not the tasks which I did today. These are the tasks that I did yesterday. So let's get started. The number one is fix bug in quiz application. Well, the sad story. If you remember the last day I stopped the video. The moment I found bug, I was like, really? So I fixed that bug. So what I did is I used rootScope to check that if there is an ID in the local storage, and if there is, then yep, you are allowed to visit any page you want. If not, then redirect him to the home page. So last time it didn't go well. Although I was able to access my category page, but I wasn't able to give any test because I am being redirected to the home page although I was logged in. So I fixed that, and let's take a look. Quiz 15, fun, play, learn. Yeah, of course. So okay, come on. All right. So this is the category page, which worked well the last time as well, and I did a couple of change. Although as I said that the modal that opens whenever I want to give any test. So earlier it had like every question has a time limit of 30 seconds, but then I realized that it's a mistake. So now I fixed it. So each question has a time limit of 30 seconds. Medium question, easy question has a time limit of 30 seconds. Medium question has a time limit of 35 seconds, and hard question has a time limit of 45 seconds. So this is what I fixed. And the one more thing that I fixed is now I'm able to give tests. So the bug has been fixed. So right now I haven't given any test yet. So this is my account, and it is 0. Actually I did give, but I haven't, I made my score 0 intentionally. All right, so let's try one. And this is the first question: the keyword used to transfer control from a function. All right, so there is a question and there are options. So this is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. And there's a time limit going on, and on the left hand side you can see about this question, and then you can see some information about the question. So I'll tell you what this information is, but first let me give the right answer. And as you give the right answer, there's a sweet sound that you can hear. And yeah, I was saying that on the left hand side you have a sidebar which gives you information about this question. So it gives you information like what's the difficulty level, what's the points that it carries, and how many scores I've gained till now. So let's give the right answer, and let's proceed, and let's say what else is there in the page. Also you can see that there is a question mark, and it is know about the test. So if I click on it, a modal will open, and it'll give you, okay, yeah, I fixed it. It'll give you information about how the test actually works. So in case you haven't read about how the test works and then you want to read now, then you can do it. And let's give the right answer. And there is one more thing that is not showing right now, and that is there's a quit option. So as I said, the quit option will only be available after I attempt at least 5 questions. So till now I haven't attempted 5 questions. I've attempted, I don't know, 3 maybe. So let's attempt 5 questions and let's see how it shows. So this is the right answer. And who is the father of C language? Dan is Richie. All right, so 5 questions have been attempted, and now I have the privilege of this quit option, which is a modal. And if I quit, then my 5 points will not be deducted. Okay, so yeah, earlier if I gave wrong answers, then my 5 points will be deducted, but now if I quit, my 5 points will not be deducted, plus the score that I've gained, that is 15, will add into my account. So let's give the right answer. I don't know what it is. Oh my god, man. Yeah, wow. And say, as we have reached medium level, so the time limit has been increased to 35 seconds, and each questions carry 5 points now, and the score that I've gained till now is 18. So I don't know, should I go to the hard level? Let's skip it. So I click on it. Before it, I just want you to notice that my score gain is 18. I click on it, I say yes, I quit, and voila. So my points have been deducted as 0. So that means no points is deducted from my account just because I have quit. And the score that I've gained is 18. Number of correct answers that I gave was 6, and my total correct answers till now is 16. Okay, total wrong answers is 5. So just ignore that. As I said that I played it before, but intentionally I made my score 0. So my current points is 18. And on the left hand side, you can also see that most correct answers. So the users who have given maximum number of correct answers. So number 1 is Shub, which is me. He has given 172 correct answers, and so he is on the top. And then Abdus, he has given 20 correct answers, and then Shubham, he has given 10 correct answers. So there is a bug, I think, because I have given 10 correct answers, but then here is showing I've given 16. Wow, great, another bug. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give another test, and I'm going to take it a look, see if all right, let's proceed, or let me just refresh the page. And okay, I'm not allowed to view the page, man. I have to log in again just because I've refreshed at the wrong time. So yes, guys, please do not do that. Please don't refresh the page. I have given a navigation bar for you guys, so use that. Do not refresh the page, especially the test page and the test result page. All right, so top 5 on the board. Shubham, 18 points, you've seen mine. Let's go to my profile. So total correct answers is 16, total wrong answers is 5, total points is 18. And let's give another test, and let's lose. Oops. And total correct answer is 16. All right, so it's not updating. All right, no problem, now it's okay. So total correct answer is 16 and 16. Total wrong answer is 6. I think it should be 7. Let me just take a look. Total wrong answer is 6. Okay, let's give another test, and let's just make sure it's working fine. 13 points, yeah, because 5 points have been deducted. Let's give another test, and if you remember, my total wrong answer was 6. So let's give one more wrong answer, and yeah, total wrong answer 7. Great, it's working fine. All right, so there is no bug in the application right now. Everything is working fine, and 8 points. So I was in 18. I've lost 10 points. Great, by giving wrong answer. Just for the demonstration. So this is the application, guys. This is what I was working on, and there is one more tab called My Profile, where you can view your profile, the first name, the last name you have, the email, the gender, and you can edit your profile if you want. So you can change your first name if you want, you can change your last name if you want, you can change your gender, you can give it female, others, whatever you like. And then you can save the changes, and then it will say that your profile has been updated, which has been updated. And you can also change your password if you like. This is your current password. You can give your new password, you can give a confirm password. So I think I shouldn't give this current password. I think I should ask the user to type in the current password, but my application is doesn't need that much of security, so a little bit of things which I think can be improved, so I'll do that. But that's it. I think it looks good for now, and economics coming soon. Yup. All right, so that is it. So if I log out, then what will happen is the ID that I have stored in my local storage will be deleted, and if I try to come to the category page again, I won't be allowed to. So let's try to, go to this URL, that is, go to the home page, and you will see that I'll be redirected to the category page just because I'm logged in and my ID is there in the local storage. So let's test it, and instead of the home page, you can see that I am able to see the category page. So, but if I log out, that is, if I log out now, and if I try to visit this URL once again, paste and go, so I'll not be able to access the category page, and I'll not be able to access my profile page as well because I have logged out. And okay, so actually there is a tab going on. Okay, interesting. All right, yeah, so because I'm logged out and the local storage doesn't have my ID stored, so if I try to go to the category page, and I'll be redirected to the home page after a second. So that's it. So this is what I wanted to show you. So I fixed the bug in the quiz application. It's running smooth now, although there are a couple of things that can be improved, like I shouldn't show the current password. I should ask the user to insert current password and then ask him to type the new password. But okay, no problem. Then I started learning React Native. Interesting, right? Android, iOS, interesting. So I did the initial setup for React Native. It took me a long time. It took me like the whole evening to download a couple of things and to install them and to make sure they're installed correctly and they're working fine. And God. And then I started learning React Native. So it was yesterday. Today I built an application in React Native, and this is the first application in React Native which does nothing but just shows hello on the screen. But I think this is how any traditional programming language is learned, by learning how to write hello world. So instead of world, I'm just writing hello, no problem. But eventually I'll be updating and I'll be learning more. So this is how the code looks. I'm learning from a Udemy course, awesome course. So import React and blah blah blah, and awesome. All right, so and then revisit Mongo. So yes, I started to revisit what I have already learned, like Node.js, MongoDB, so that I can grasp those concepts more clearly, and so that I become fluent in I don't know if fluent is the right word to speak here, but so that I become master in MongoDB and Node.js. So I just don't want that, okay, I've done an application in MongoDB, that means I'm done, and I'll not go through the functions it has or how it works and all this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going through it once again. I'm recapping what's there in MongoDB, how it works and all. And then I prepared the mock-up for my portfolio. So the quiz application is over. The next target is my portfolio. So I'm building my portfolio next. It'll be like a website of mine where it'll show information about me, like what I am, what I do, and what I did till now, my works, and how you can contact me. So I prepared the mock-up for my portfolio, and very soon I'll start the coding. So that's it. I think it's going to be a long video, but this is what I did yesterday on 27th of December. But a long way to go, I know. All right, goodbye.